今年76岁啦。小的时候我是煮饭给他们吃哦。
Very popular, which I like so much, is my mother cook big prawn, king prawn with soya sauce. Why? Because during Chinese New Year, a lot of supplier close for 10-20 days. So prawn you can buy early, you can frozen. So 3 or 4 days you defrost, you cook, it's still fresh. So mom just defrost the prawn, pan sealed in the pan, cook with soya sauce. So beautiful, so nice.
First when came to Singapore many years ago, more than 28-29 years ago, I'm always stick with her and always see her cooking the home style. Very first dish I learned from her is all the soup. It's all the Chinese soup.
Chicken rice chili sauce. Nothing special. Everywhere you can get good chicken rice chili sauce. But Mama Leong vision is a bit different. He used pineapple, the canned pineapple, a bit of ginger, garlic, chili padi. They got the recipe how much proportion in, and then we put a little bit of salt and vinegar. We seal it. We keep in the chiller for 2 weeks until it's a bit fermented. Then we just brand.
是觉得很高兴咯，也是很开心咯，因为我的丈夫也是做厨师啊，后来呢，叫 Sam 也是做厨师，第3代呢就是总也是做厨师，3代是做厨师，很开心。